Welcome back to the NexReel Home Show. I'm Nathan, and today we're in Orchard View in Cliffe Wood, and we are looking at this beautiful 4-bed detached house, Juniper, which has been developed by Esquire Developments. Let's take a look. As we enter the property, straight away you can see this kind of large hallway here, which is nice, which will lead straight into the office downstairs. Now what I like about this is the colour of this office. It's like a premium colour. It stands out from all the others. We have these lovely Scotia head panelling throughout this office here, which I think is quite unique, and it just brings out the walls. And also we have this reasonable sized bay window there, so if you're finished with your laptop and you just want to chill down a bit with a nice cup of tea and just look out, sunset, perfect. Very nice and relaxed. So now if we head this way, when we go upstairs, I have the best room up there. I'll save that to last. So if we head into the front room, again, open, very nice. Now this bay window, very large. You could put anything here you want, even maybe a piano or some more seating, but I really like the way it's so wide and nice. And in this property here, we have an open fire, which is it's all ready, which is good. And we can have, I'm picturing a TV there, on the wall, fire on. You can sit down, play some board games. There's loads of room in this front room here, which is nice. And also what I like about this is this wall. It's like a carpet kind of texture, which is nice. It's a bit different. So if we head this way, we go over to here. Now we have a downstairs toilet, which I do like the way it just goes on its own in the hallway. It has its own little hallway here. As you can tell, loads of room, very nice. A little towel rail here, sink's nice, plenty of room, which I like about that. Then if we come this way, we have storage area under the stairs. You can put loads of stuff like your hats, coats, shoes. You can even put the kids' toys, their bikes, actually quite a lot of stuff, loads of room in there. Now, we're gonna head into the kitchen. Now look at this, guys, this is nice. Loads of room, all open. This side we have the dining area. As you can tell, you have loads of room here. You can have parties, have your guests round. Now this is what I like. We've got this lovely quartz worktop here. I like this because this is a breakfast bar on its own. Now a lot of kitchens have breakfast bars attached to the kitchen, but this has its own island, which is nice. Then also on this side you have so much storage here, loads of storage here. You can get all the plates, get them out ready, whatever you want to do there. And as you can see, starting from here, you have the wine cooler here, right at the very end. And then go down, typical dishwasher there, lovely sink with the drainage bit, loads of storage. We have the Neff hob here with the Elisa extractor fan. And here we have the integrated fridge, freezer and cooker, which just goes in to the design, which is very beautiful. Now, if you come in here, now this is the utility room. Now what I like about this, and we do see on a lot of our houses here, is you have the side door, the back door, which you can come in that way if you go out for a nice walk with a dog or what have you, and you're quite muddy. Everything stays in this room. This is the utility room. You would have the washing machine, tumble dryer. You can have all your bits and bobs in here. You could even have the kids' dirty footballs in here, whatever, the wellies, whatever you want, which I like before you get into the kitchen. And what I like is Jake, can you feel that on the floor again? It's really warm, isn't it? The underfloor, yeah, it's nice. And then you have these lovely tiles on the floor. and it goes out to the dining area, kitchen and the utility, which is beautiful. Now here you can put a pantry in here if you wish. You can have more storage. It would be nice to put some shelves up and you can have all your essentials in there, so it's all hidden away, really nice. And as you see, we've got these lovely bifold doors which lets in a lot of natural light, which extends out to this lovely, beautiful garden, very large garden by the way, which we're going to go see next. And as you can see, the garden is massive, a very, very nice big garden. You can fit trampolines, slides, whatever you want to fit in here. So when you come out, we've got this Indian sandstone again, which is wide enough. You can get tables, barbecue, nice parties, loads of room. And if we head this way quick, I'm not going to go on the grass because my trainers. This is the double garage, where again it has the side door where you can go out into the house. Now this garage is so big, you can even have a golfing simulator, you can turn it into a gym, whatever you want in there. Because the front of the garage, you probably could fit 4 cars on the driveways. So loads of room for the cars. Turn that into something nice. That's all you need. And as we come upstairs, we've got this beautiful large landing, which is just so much room. You've got some rooms down that way. We've got rooms this way. So if we head here first, which as you can see is set up as a kids, boys bedroom, which is it's a nice size really. You've got a single bed there. He can do his homework here, play toys. Right next to the radiator as well, nice and warm. We've got these lovely windows, which would be, you can open up both of these and they have the child locks on, has all this natural light coming in, and then space for his wardrobe there or hers. And yeah, very nice room. And if we head this way, we will come to the bathroom in a minute. I wanted you to show you this room first. So this is just the second bedroom, which is a standard double room, which again, I do like these. Have these nice Scotia pattern walls. These ones are quite wide as well, which makes it a bit more different. You've got the double bed. You can, if you wanted to, have a bigger bed here. There's still plenty of room to go either side of the bed. And then we head this way into the family bathroom, which as you can tell, when I come in, oh, this is lovely. So I love the porcelain tiles here with the integrated WC and basin. And if we come this way, we have a double shower. So not only you have a bath in the family bathroom, you have this lovely walk-in shower. Okay, if we head down this lovely hallway here, as you can tell, loads of room. This is my favourite room. We would do this last. I'm very excited to show you that room. Now this here is the master bedroom. Now look at this, guys. This is lovely. You've got the bay window, which just opens up the room. Has all this natural light in. And it's set up now, you can have your makeup there, you can have all your perfumes and watches all in the drawers, and you can sit down and enjoy that. That's nice. So now, what I like about this room as well, you have the built-in wardrobes, which as you can tell, you have loads of space. You can hang your shirts up, you can have your shoes there, wherever you want them. And as you can tell, there's free, slide these doors, you've got 3 sliding doors, quite easy to use. Perfect, you can fit so much in here, guys. And then if you come over this way, we even have more room. You can fit, look at this. You can have so much stuff here. You can have just extra stuff, or your washing if you don't want to put it out in the room. You have a little basket there. You can put stuff at the top, easy. Now, this one has the ensuite. Now this does look really nice, guys. Look at this. You've got this lovely, different style tiles in this shower room. Heat your towel rail here, but you can easily just grab a towel straight out the shower. Then we have the integrated WC and basin here. These lovely tiles. Perfect, loads of room, nice and warm. Now, let's head out to my favourite room, which I wanted to show you right downstairs. I'm so excited. This is my favourite room. Really, really, really nice. Look at this. Look at this. Nice cinema or games room. Very, very nice. I can just see myself very excited to sit down here. It's very dark colours. Then I like the soundboarding on the back with these kind of the lights, and you've got the bronze panels. Okay, then we have this on the wall here. Don't know what this is, so let's just push it and see what it is. So you've got all these kind of things in this room, which as soon as you enter, I don't know what it does. Oh, look at this, guys. So if you come around here, it actually puts the lights on and off in the walls. Now that's really nice. You've got to agree with that. Look at that. Yeah, amazing room. I could spend many hours in here just chilling out after a hard day's work. I feel like you can come in here and you'd want to get home and just enjoy this room. This is lovely, lovely soft carpet as well. Very nice. So that was Juniper, a lovely 4-bed detached home. Thank you so much for Esquire Developments for letting us tour the house. Please leave a comment of your favourite feature. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we shall see you on the next one.